Today we're going to be replacing this, the horn relay. And we're going with this part number. This brand recommended by AutoCrafters.com. It's really hard to do one-handed. I would spray some kind of anti-corrosion lubricant in there, but yeah. Voila. Don't you love that wiring? It's fantastic. So I replaced this because the other one, I don't know if it was the issue or not, but the horn would work sometimes and then other times not. And I couldn't figure out any frequency of failure, like when it's hot, when it's cold, but I went ahead and replaced it. So recommended autocrafters.com. If you guys need a bunch of little stuff like that, definitely head there. I feel like they have really reasonable prices, but if you guys want to spend over $100 on all types of little products and so on, or maybe some big ones like fenders and so on, then head there, autocrafters.com, and use promo code AKF100World, all caps. If you guys are on Facebook, hit that like button. If you guys are on YouTube, subscribe. And if you're on TikTok, follow. Thanks, guys. Hope it was helpful. Later.